Dear children, welcome to the last session of the exercise of the chapter alternate method. There is a very important method and very simple method. It is the alternate method. Using this, we can solve a linear equation in two variables in the most easy way. Before going to the proof, before going to the method, let's have a proof. Here, this a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. This is the most general system of linear equations in the variables. Here, to get the solution, either x we have to eliminate or y we have to eliminate in first case, so that if y is eliminated, x का value आ जाएगा. If x is eliminated, y का value we will get. Here, I want to eliminate y first. To eliminate y in first equation and second equation, y coefficients are not equal. They are b1 and b2. We have to equate the y coefficients and then we have to do subtraction so that y is eliminated. For that I did. Equation 1 is multiplied by b2, equation 2 is multiplied by b1, so that this I got. Since it is a subtraction, change of sign and then addition. After changing the sign, when you do addition, this becomes subtraction. If this is a1 b2 x minus a2 b1 x is equal to common factor x लेने से a1 b2 minus a2 b1 into x, a1 b2 minus a2 b1 common factor x. Here y is eliminated because y coefficients are the same. On subtraction, this y is eliminated. c1 b2 minus b1 c2 is equal to 0. Now, to get this value of x from this linear equation in one variable and constant is shifted to the right side, it has become minus, and then x coefficient it comes to the right side and takes the position of denominator. Here, this minus sign to remove, the terms inside the bracket are multiplied by minus. Therefore, here minus of c1 b2 minus c2 b1, it has become b1 c2 minus b2 c1 because it is multiplied by minus. This is the value of x. Similarly, to get the value of y, x coefficients are equated. For that, equation 1 is multiplied by a2, equation 2 is multiplied by a1. Here a1 a2x, a1 a2x are getting cancelled. b1 a2y minus b2 a1y. On taking y common factor, b1 a2 minus b2 a1 whole into y, c1 a2 minus c2 a1, and this is the constant. Right side 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Next, y is equal to, this constant is shifted to the right side, it becomes minus, divided by the coefficient of y takes the position of denominator. Now, y is equal to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 divided by, here c1 a2 minus c2 a1 divided by, with minus sign, b1 a2 minus b2 a1. And here I have made small change. Here with the minus sign I have multiplied the numerator. Here denominator is a1 b2 minus a2 b1. To keep this the same denominator, here I have multiplied this minus sign instead of the numerator. In the denominator I have multiplied. Here denominator is b1 a2 minus b2 a1, and here the denominator is a1 b2 minus a2 b1. To make the two denominators equal, there I have multiplied in the numerator with the minus sign. Here the numerator, not the numerator, with the minus sign, the denominator is multiplied. Therefore, c1 a2 minus c2 a1 as it is, with the minus sign on multiplication, this becomes a1 b2 minus a2 b1. a1 b2 takes first position, a2 b1 or b1 a2. Either you say b2 a1 or b1 a2 or a2 b1. The same. This comes first, this comes next. Now, in this and in this x a1 b2 minus a2 b1, the denominators are equal. Now, this is the y value I have written. This is the x value I have written. This is the proof from the general pair of linear equations, and the same thing we will get in a so easy way when you use a particular pattern that we will study. And I want to keep this solution here, and I will explain by taking the same pair by using cross multiplication method. How we have to do and what we have to do, let's learn from the cross multiplication method. Please. While doing cross multiplication method, we have to write the coefficients in a particular order and then we have to do multiplication. Starting from the first equation by coefficient B1, C1, A1, B1. Similarly for the second equation B2, C2, A2, B2. Starting from B1, ending with B1. Here starting with B2, ending also B2. Start from y coefficient, constant, then come to the x coefficient and come to the y coefficient. 3 terms are there, but here the 4 coefficients, because y term coefficient is repeated in the beginning as well as at the end. Now, in between these two, let's write x. In between these two, let's write y. In between these two, let's write y. Here, by using this cross multiplication method, see that the constant is always in the LHS, not in the RHS. Sometimes we write in the standard form, constant is right side, a1x plus b1y is equal to c1. This is also we can say standard form, but we are following this standard form. So see that the constant is in the left side by using this method like this. Now, b1 c2 is the main diagonal, c1 a2 is the main diagonal, a1 b2 is the main diagonal. Now, x divided by b1 c2 minus b2 c1. b1 c2 minus b1 c2 is the main diagonal, other one is b2 c1 is equal to y divided by c1 a2 is the main diagonal, y is in between these two, therefore c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equal to 1 divided by, this 1 is in between these two, 1 divided by a1 b2 is the main diagonal, a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So this is how we write the coefficients from the equation, and under that we write the products like this. So by writing products, it is very important, the coefficients a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2, they may be positive or negative, may be integers, may be fractions. Therefore, there is a difficulty in multiplication and simplification. That is why first product b1, c2, right? Then put minus sign, and then put brackets, and inside the brackets write the other products, so that we can avoid the mistake and we can do with more confidence if you follow this method. Always product 1 minus and second products, this may be positive or negative, have a habit of writing the second products always inside the bracket. Sometimes bracket is required, sometimes we don't need bracket, but the habit of writing the second product always inside the bracket is compulsory. Now, suppose if you do cross multiplication between this first term and last term, x is equal to, this goes to the numerator, b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. If you do cross multiplication between this y term and this constant, then y is equal to c1 a2 minus c2 a1, it will go to the numerator, c1 a2 minus c2 a1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Exactly the same, देखो x का वैल्यू b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1, y का वैल्यू c1 a2 minus c2 a1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. This also the same, c1 a2 minus c2 a1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. The same, whatever you use direct method and whatever you use alternate method is the same, but direct method it needs more time more simplification, more working. Therefore, the chances of making mistake is more in the direct method, but in alternate method, it's easy. Time taking is less, and chances of making mistakes is also less. In case the answer, whatever we get, the solution, whatever we get on substituting, if we don't get or if the solution is not satisfied, it's easy to verify or to find the mistake, to check the mistake or to investigate the mistake, so that we can do rectification also very easily. Now, there is another method. If you use this method, x ka value, y ka value, both we will get at a time. But there is, see the system and tell the answer without doing anything. That method, how it's possible, I will tell. Now I am erasing this. Same system of equations I will write once again here, and I will show. E1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0. A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. We want x value. X is equal to, when we want x value, close this x. When we want x value, close this x terms. X का adjacent term क्या है? Y term. So start from y. देखो here y term. This is the main diagonal. Start from b, b1c2 minus b2c1. b1c2 minus b2c1 is the numerator. When we want x, close this x, b1c2 minus b2c1 by, and under this x, a1 b2 minus a2 b1. This is the main diagonal here. a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So without doing anything, simply you write small multiplication and get either you want x value or x value like this. If you want y value, I will tell how to get y value also. For y value, y is equal to, when we want y value, close this y. When we close this y का right side adjacent. When we find this x value, x का right side adjacent is y top. So starting from y coefficient, b1c2 minus b2c1 I have written it first, and then a1 b2 minus a2 b1. This a1 b2 minus a2 b1 is the denominator. For x or for y it is a constant. For y value, y is equal to, so for y is closed. To the right side of y, we have adjacent coefficient is c1. So c1 a2. Starting from c1 a2. c1 a2 minus c2 a1 by, under this denominator a1 b2 minus a2 b1 is the same. a1 b2 minus a2 b1. देखो b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1 same. y का वैल्यू c1 a2 minus c2 a1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1 same. If you want both the values, x value and y value, total solution, we can do any one of. But when you want only x or only y, see this and very easy. Here always remember first product. For example, b1c2, first product. b1c2 is the first product, and second product is the b2c1. This is b2c1. While writing the products, while doing the problem, first product b1c2 लिखने के बाद, minus sign के बाद, put the bracket and then inside write b2c1. Bracket first, product next. This product b2c1 may be sometimes positive or maybe sometimes negative. To avoid confusion, to avoid mistake, see that the second product is always first bracket and then inside that bracket the number or product whatever we get, we will write. This is how we do more carefully without any mistake, or we can avoid mistake, we can save the time also. Thank you.